Hello everyone, I am Swati. Today we are going to discuss few questions based on probability. So first is based on coins. We'll take three cases, that is if a coin is tossed once, two coins are tossed simultaneously and three coins they are tossed simultaneously. So let's take first a coin is tossed once. So when a coin is tossed once, we can have only head and tail. So your sample space, what is sample space? It is all possible outcomes. So sample space is your head and tail. So what is the total outcomes? They are only 2. So what is the probability of a head? That is number of possible outcomes divided by your total outcomes. So for head, you will, if a coin is tossed once, it might possible you will get head, so it can be only one time, so 1 by 2. Total outcomes are 2. Similarly, you can have the probability of tail, that is again 1 by 2, because 50% chances are there you will get head, 50% chances are there you will get a tail. So probability will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now let's move to two coins are thrown simultaneously. Two coins are tossed simultaneously. So when the two coins are tossed simultaneously, it might possible that on both the, when I'll toss on both the tosses, we can get head. It might possible you will get on first coin you will get head and on another one it is tail. Another case is tail and head and another case is tail and tail. So how many total outcomes are there? Let's see sample space. So sample space is your head head, then head tail, then tail head and then tail and tail. So there are total 4 outcomes. Now let us find out, the questions can be asked is find the probability of two heads. Two heads की probability क्या होगी? तो two heads is coming only once. So what is the probability? Number of possible outcomes is 1 and total outcomes is 4. So 1 by 4. Similarly, probability of two tails, it will also be 1 by 4 because two tails will be only once. Now probability of at least one head. देखो दो कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं आपके, एक होता है एट लीस्ट और एक होता है आपका एट मोस्ट. दोनों में बहुत फ़र्क है. एट लीस्ट होता है कम से कम. इफ़ आई से दैट टुडे यू हैव टू डिपॉजिट एट लीस्ट 5 नोटबुक्स फॉर चेकिंग. एट लीस्ट का मतलब है कम से कम 5 नोटबुक तो आज चेकिंग के लिए भेजनी ही है. 5 से ज़्यादा आप मुझे दे सकते हो बट 5 से कम नहीं होनी चाहिए. एट लीस्ट इज़ दिस. एट मोस्ट, इफ़ आई से today you have to deposit at most 5 notebooks to me for checking. That means at most, maximum is 5. उससे कम हो सकती हैं बट उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. दैट इज़ योर एट मोस्ट. सो एटलीस्ट वन हेड, एटलीस्ट वन हेड का मतलब है एक हेड तो होना ही चाहिए. उससे ज़्यादा हो जाए तो आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम, 2 भी हो सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पर है आपके 2 हेड्स तो कम से कम एक तो है ही. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर एक हेड है, यहाँ पर भी एक हेड है, तो आपके पॉसिबल आउटकम्स कितने हो गए हैं? 3. और टोटल कितने हैं 4. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 3/4. सिमिलरली प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एट लीस्ट वन टेल. सो एटलीस्ट वन टेल, ये वाला केस तो कंसीडर ही नहीं होगा. एटलीस्ट वन टेल यहाँ पर भी है, यहाँ भी और दोनों में भी. सो योर प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 3/4. इफ आई से probability of at most head, at most one head. so one head अगर at most की बात कर रही हूँ तो at most one head का मतलब है कि 1 ही maximum value होगी, उससे कम हो सकते हैं. so similarly 1, 2 and 3. so probability of at most one head is also your 3/4. now next case is your 3 coins, they are tossed simultaneously. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. So let us see the sample space first, that is all possible outcomes. So your sample space will be 3 coins. It might possible that on the first chance your 3 heads would be coming up, 3 heads on all the coins. Next is your first and second coin will be head and third one will be tail. So let us see the sample space. Head, head and head. Next case can be head, head and tail. Next can be head, tail and head, and next can be tail, head and head. Now these are the 4 cases. Now next case can be your tail, tail and head, then tail, head and tail, and then head, tail, tail, and last is your tail, tail, tail. So there are total 8 outcomes. So total outcomes here I am getting is 8 when the 3 coins are tossed. Now find the probability of 3 heads. 3 heads की probability क्या होगी? That is number of possible outcomes divided by your total outcomes. So that is equal to how many 3 heads? So only one case is there. So 3/8. Similarly, for 3 tails also you will get this is 1/8 because here I am getting 3 heads as only one time, so 1/8. Similarly, for 3 tails the probability is it is coming only once, so it will be 1/8. Now probability of at least 2 heads. At least 2 head, that means कम से कम 2 head होने चाहिए, उससे ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं बट उससे कम नहीं. This case will be considered at least 2 heads. This also and this also. Here I am getting only 1 head, so these cases will not be considered. So that is 4/8. You can cancel it. So 1/2. Similarly, probability of at least 2 tails. 2 tails होने चाहिए. यहाँ तक कोई भी केस कंसीडर नहीं होगा, बट हेयर वी आर गेटिंग 2 tails, 2 tails, 2 tails and 3 tails, so it will be considered. So it will be 4/8, that is 1/2. Now let us move to at most. Probability of, let's say at most 2 tails, 2 heads ले लेते हैं पहले. Probability of at most 2 tails, at most 2 heads या at most 2 tails, कुछ भी हो, आपको क्या देखना है कि 2 heads ही होंगे मैक्सिमम, उससे ऊपर नहीं हो सकते, उससे कम चल जाएंगे. So here this case will not be considered. Here it will be considered at most 2. So 1, 2, 3. this will also be considered, this will also be considered and this will also be considered, but उससे कम भी चल जाएंगे तो tails will also be considered. So it will be 7/8. At most 2 heads, 2 heads या फिर उससे कम. Similarly अगर मैं at most 2 tails की बात करूँ तो भी आपका आएगा 7/8. So this is how we can find out the probability based on your coins. Next is based on your die. Everyone has played Ludo and all of you know that what are the total outcomes. There are 6 faces of a that die. So what is the sample space for it? Outcomes, or you can say sample space. Sample space will be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total outcomes are 6. Now let us say we need to find out the probability of a number 5. 5 नंबर आने की probability क्या होगी? That is number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. So number 5 we have only one chance, so 1/6. कोई भी नंबर की प्रोबेबिलिटी अगर आपको निकालनी है तो इट विल ऑलवेज बी 1/6. लाइक प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ नंबर 2, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ नंबर 1, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ नंबर 3, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ नंबर 6. सो इट विल ऑलवेज बी 1/6. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नंबर ग्रेटर देन 4. आपको निकालना है कि die is thrown and you need to find out the probability number greater than 4. So there are 2 numbers which are greater than 4, that is 5 and 6. So there are 2 possible outcomes. So 2/6, that means 1/3. Similarly, probability of a number less than 5. 5 से कम, there are 4 numbers, so it will be 4/6, that means 2/3. Next is probability of a number between 3 and 6. Now it is talking about the number between 3 and 6. 3 और 6 के बीच में कौन से नंबर हैं? 4 और 5. That means probability is 2/6. So it will be 1/3. Now probability of odd number. Odd number की probability क्या होगी? There are odd numbers are those which are not divisible by 2. So 1, 3 and 5. So there are 3 numbers which are not divisible by 2. So probability is 1/2. Next is probability of a even number. Again the numbers which are divisible by 2. So which are those numbers? 2, 4 and 6. So there are total 3 numbers which are divisible by 2. So they are even numbers. So 3/6, that means 1/2. Now the probability of a prime and composite numbers. Probability of prime number and probability of a composite number. Probability of prime numbers. So before finding the probability, you must know what are prime numbers and what are composite numbers. The prime numbers are those numbers which have only 2 factors, that is a number itself and 1. So let us see which are those numbers which are prime numbers. 1, it is neither prime nor composite. कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? कंपोजिट नंबर्स वो नंबर्स होते हैं जिनके 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं और 1 का तो सिर्फ एक ही फैक्टर है, वो खुद ही अपना फैक्टर है, तो ना तो ये प्राइम है ना ही कॉम्पोजिट है. लेट अस टेक 2. 2 इज़ अ प्राइम नंबर बिकॉज इट हैज़ फैक्टर्स 2, 1 and the number itself. 3, again it is a prime number because it has 2 factors 1 and 3. 4 के हमारे 3 फैक्टर्स हैं 1, 2 एंड 4, सो इट इज़ अ कॉम्पोजिट नंबर। 5 के 2 ही हैं 1 और 5। 6 की बात करें तो 1, 2, 3 एंड 6। तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास 3 प्राइम नंबर्स हो गए, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगी 3/6, दैट इज़ 1/2। Composite numbers, there are 2 composite numbers 4 and 6, so probability is 2/6, that is 1/3. So this is how we can find out the probability by looking at the sample space, that is all possible outcomes. Through that you can find out the probability. This is the question based on a die, that is a die is thrown once or a die is rolled. Because only one time I am rolling a die, so there are 6 outcomes. So these are the questions based on the coins and based on a 1 die, and based on 2 dice we'll proceed in the next session. So till that time you need to look at the these things, that how you can find out the sample space, how you can find out the number of possible outcomes, and you have to find out the probability for each of the event which is asked. Thank you. Hello friends, I hope you all like my videos. If you feel any problem, you are free to write in the comment section. I'll answer you as soon as possible through my videos. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.